Daniel Rocha. I don't know where we are. Red Rock Bowling Lanes, 7 Tattoo, Daniel Rocha's 40th birthday. Damn, that sucks. I'll take. We'll try that again in a couple more drinks. Ready? That's it.
Listen to this.
Bang!
Is this live, right?
To me it is.
Yeah, yeah, I saw that.
No, you good. Don't watch me f this all up, right?
There you go. There you go.
Hey! You guys got your? Okay.
What'd you do? What'd you do?
Happy 30th birthday, Daniel.
40. He's turning 40.
That sucks. I'm just kidding. Seriously, happy birthday. I'm really sorry that I can't be there. I just want to tell you how grateful I am for you and Emily and the shop and all the opportunities that you've given me in this life. So I hope this birthday really kicks ass.
Hey Daniel, how's it going? Just wanted to let you know that we're all here wishing you a happy birthday today. And I wanted to say, as artists, we're constantly trying to create things. We see a blank canvas, we create something beautiful with it. We see a blank piece of skin, we create something beautiful with it. But I think as an artist, the best thing we can create is the piece of art we make with our lives. And as you look around today, surrounded by people who love you and care about you, I can see that you painted a beautiful picture with yours. Happy 40th, buddy.
Happy 40th!
Happy birthday, Uncle Daniel. Say happy birthday.
No.
Okay, so he doesn't want to say it, but deep in his heart, I know he's wishing you a happy birthday, brother. I can't wait to join you guys in Vegas. I will see you soon. And happy birthday again, bro.
Hi, Dad. I hope you're having an amazing birthday. Man, 40, dang. Time has passed. I'm still your number one fan, though. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, babe. What do you get somebody that literally either buys everything that they want or just already has it? So, one of the reasons why I was acting weird all week is because I was trying to get everybody to send me videos. So, happy birthday to you. I hope you understand how much you mean, not just to us, your family, but everyone around you, the industry, and how much of an impact your life has been so far, and how much more you have to go. So happy birthday.
Yeah!
Happy birthday, Papi.
Let's go. Cheers. I got a drink.
Okay, we can fall again.
Let's ball.
Cheers, cheers.
Cheers.
I'm good on the coach talk. I'm good at the pep talk, dude. I'll gas you up. But if you fail, oh well.
Happy birthday, Daniel.
Feel like I'm at the tippy top of my game, looking down at the rafters. I had to sun these boys, can't leave them bastards. A lot of dudes, just some undercover.
7 for life.
7 for life.
Boy, them permits are all your tactics. Yeah, so try again. This time take a vitamin. Yeah, invite them in. Welcome to the Lions Den. And I'm Mufasa, big boss in charge of. So baby, you gon' need some patience. I already won, now I'm just making a statement. Damn, baby, why your mans keep quitting? You asking about the cake, you here for the celebrations. And I ain't fishing, I ain't really integrating. I know they all wish I take away they made it, but sorry I'm taking me and my lady mating. She let me in the arms.
Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Daniel. Happy birthday to you. Your speech, but thank you guys. I appreciate everything. You guys are so awesome. Everybody. Cheers. Cheers. Cheers.
Hey, take 7 shots.